Hi guys, welcome back to another math video. Today I'm gonna be going through a full guide how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. And for like my 4 operations video that I did where we went over the 4 operations for 4 videos, I just want to do this one video so we can get fractions just like out the way, and we'll probably move into like maybe this numbers or something next. But we'll definitely come back to fractions. But I just want to do this one video so that we can, for our next video, we can do something else, maybe next number or something. But yeah, let's go ahead and start. So first we're gonna go through 2 examples of each. So 2 examples how to add, 2 examples how to subtract, 2 examples how to multiply, and 2 examples how to divide fractions. So adding fractions, subtracting fractions, multiplying, and dividing fractions. So first we're gonna start with adding, and then we'll go to dividing last. We'll go from left to right. So we have, change that to pencil. Oops, pencil. Okay. So we have 1/7. Things ring again. 1/7 plus 4/7. So I'm gonna rewrite it. So, like I said, and when we did the adding fractions, we just, with 1/7 common denominator, well, for adding fractions, we just do 1 plus 4, we just add the numerators. We have right here, here's what we have to do. So we have to find a common denominator, which for this one we don't have to, but the next one we will. So we just add the numerators and then keep the denominator the same. So we get answer of 5/7. Now we can move on to number 2 for adding fractions. 2/5 plus 4/10. So I'm going to rewrite it. Okay, so for having like fractions that don't have a common denominator, we have to actually skip count for ones that we don't have a common denominator. So I like to do so we can skip count. I like to do the ones that like the smaller numbers first, and we have a common multiple of 10. So we can rewrite this 10, or actually here, so I'm going to write that a little bit smaller. 10. Okay, hopefully that's it. So we both have ones that are now rewrote as 10 for the denominator. Now we have to, so first with 2/5. So if we can look, we did 1, 2 for skip counting. So we did times 2, because skip counting would be multiplying, times 2. So whatever we have to do to the numerator, we have to, or to the denominator, we have to do the numerator. So keep it equal. So we did times 2 for 5 times 2 is 10, and then 2 times 2 would be 4. Put the adding sign, and then we just keep the second fraction the same since we didn't do anything with it. Since that already has the denominator 10 and our multiple was 10. Oops, here, I gotta get out here for a second so that hopefully it saves. Okay, yes it did. Okay, so we have 4/10. Then we have 4/10 plus 4/10 would be, so like we said, we just add the numerators and keep the denominators the same. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and then keep the denominator 10 the same. So next we have to see if we can simplify it. So is there any multiples with 8 and 10? Yes, there is 2. So we divide both by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. I'll just write it with the slash. So just write it with the slash because I don't really have room to write it with the bar. So 4/5 is our answer. So 4 and so 4/5. Alright, so next we have subtracting fractions. Okay, now we have 2 examples to go through. And I'm not really going to go through these. I mean, I will. So we just do, I can rewrite them. Eighths minus 4/15. So like I said, we just, so just like adding, we have to do just, we don't have to find the common denominator for this one. We just subtract the numerators. So 1 minus 4 is 7. So 7. And then we keep the denominator 15. Okay, so our answer is 7/15. 7/15 here. Okay, so next we have, so now we have to find the common denominator, so we can do, and we already found 28. So 28 and then 28. So then we have to do, so I'm not even going to write it, I'm just going to do 9 times 2 is 18, since we did the skip counting for, since we did the skip counting for the 14, which was in the denominator, we have to times 2, and then we did, so we did 2, here, I'll just get rid of the arrow actually, so we did times 2, and then we keep the 28, so now we know that 18/28 is equal to 9/14, and then we just do minus, and we just keep the 2 28s the same, since we only skip counted 1. Now we just subtract the numerators. So we have, so 14, or no, 16 over 28. It's kind of hard to write, but we got 16 over 28, and then we can simplify it. 8 over 14, and we can simplify that, so we get 8 over 14. We could simplify that again to 4/7. So 4/7 is our answer. Let's write an arrow so we know that this is 4/7 is for this one, and 7/15 is for that one. Okay, just because it's like a little hard to write. I know, because it's like a lot to write. Okay, next we have multiplying fractions. Which multiplying fractions is easier because you just multiply numerator and the denominator. So you just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 7 over 15. You also have this. You can also simplify the multiplying fractions. Okay, so 7 times 2 is 14, and then 15 times 5, you can do 15, 30, 45, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. So 15 times 5 is 75. So we get an answer of, and can we simplify 14 75? No, because there's no common factors with 14 and 75. So 14 and 75. Write the arrow. Okay. Alright, next we have 3/4 and times 7 or 7/8. So we do 3/4 times 7/8. We just multiply numerators and the denominators. 21 over 32. Now can we simplify 21 over 32? Can we, No, we cannot. We cannot simplify 21 over 32. So 21/32 is our answer. Okay, now we can move on to dividing fractions. Okay, so we keep the first fraction. So there's something called keep, switch, flip, which is just like a thing for dividing fractions. So pretty much we keep the first fraction, and then we switch multiplication, and then we flip the numerator, so the numerator become the denominator become the numerator, and then the numerator become the denominator. So we do 3 over 2, and then you just multiply. So 12 over 12. Oops, 12 over 12. And 12 over 12 is a 1 because the numerator and denominator are the same. So we get 1. Okay, next for second one we have 6 over 18 and 7 and 6 over 6 or 6 18ths and 7 9ths. So we keep this fraction, keep the first fraction, switch multiplication, and then 9 times 7 or 6 times 9 and 18 times 7. So 6 times 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. And then we do 18 here. I'm not going to use a calculator because I can't really like 18 times. What is it? 18 times. Oh, this has happened again. 18 times 7. Which is 126. Now we can simplify. It's not. I don't know why it's not letting me. There's 126, and then we can. Oh, it happened again. Here, so it's gonna work. Okay, yes. So we can simplify it. So 54 would be simplified to divided by 2, which would be. Sorry, guys. I know. Yeah, 27. 27. I'm gonna write the slash over. What would that be? 126. So 63. I'm pretty sure, but I want to check. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So our answer is 27 over 63. So you guys how you add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. Alright, guys. So that's how you divide or add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. If you guys find this video helpful, you guys have a good day. Bye, guys.